Here we go. Day 7. Officially over the halfway point. Looking forward to what they have prepared for us today. It's also good to be back on the old main desktop computer. Yeah, I don't think I really have anything special to say. Yesterday's was pretty fun. The realization that that white space was actually important was actually a fun twist I didn't expect. So it's fun to be surprised like that. Let's hope there's not too many surprises though. If you want to have the edge. It's a Christmas tree and a maze and a pathfinding. Oh no. This kind of looks like a start and a place I need to get to. Okay, this actually looks easier than I thought. Okay, how many times will the beam be split? In this example, S empty space encounters a splitter, the beam is stopped, and new tachyon starts and forms. Okay, boom, that's relatively straightforward. Well, world thing. That is a whole world, so that is trim, and then split on the new lines. There we go, an array of arrays for a universe. Beams equals. Let me grab the real input, see how many S's we have. Okay, it's kind of the same thing. Oop, drop that there, trim that white space. Basically, I have to say data 0, index of S, and boom, this is our first beam. Active beams, there we go. So while active beams dot length, and this is where we break, not explode our thing. Let beam count 0. Well, let's set it to 1. And let's set it to 0 because it will get set when it's done. Take every beam, go down until we hit end of world or thing. Current equals active beams pop. Congratulations. And ooh, this is an index of, so it's actually not enough information. These need to be so row is 0, and then column is this. There we go. So this actually needs to be let RC. There we go. We have row, we have column. What the heck are you? Please stop that. There we go. Oh my gosh. Should not be fighting over that, but here we go. Ah, pop, it's gonna be there. Okay, good. Now we're just gonna keep this going down until we ever hit something. I know the future thing's gonna make it hard. It's gonna be omnidirectional, all that fun stuff. We're not doing that yet. While true. Feeling. I'm not feeling it. If world RC equal undefined, so we gotta make sure that is handled. Then beam count plus plus break inactive equals false, and then inactive equals true. Boom, you exit, your life is done. Boom, if you hit undefined, that's true. If world RC equals the great beam splitter, then inactive equals true, but also active beams push. That's going to be location of beam splitter, one left row, one right row. Ooh, are there beams that could be put on top of each other? Ooh, that's interesting. The tachyon beam is split a number of 22 times. Um, Splits. Okay, splits is actually what we're implementing. And then that has a very unique difference to number of beams. Beams push. This is RC, but not same RC. What changes? Column. -1, and then column +1. Great. So we already popped it off. We're done here. Life is good. Yeah, drop that one. Don't even know I need to set active for anymore. Well, something's not working. For each of these, you need to go down. How do you go down? C++. Nope, it's R++. I lied. Yep, die. Okay, I feel like I've done something wrong. Let's see what I've done wrong. RC, it's -1. It's a capital S. Oh my gosh. Now the machine is off to the races and I've infinite looped myself. Cool. Big fan. Let's put the brake over there. Oh no, it would help for a turn how many splits I got. 0. Okay, haven't infinite looped, that's good, but I haven't done anything. So it says world RC is 0. C is still -1. Son of Oh, it's a capital S. Nope, I was wrong. Or I was right, rather. What's the heck is big? Oh my gosh, I'm in data. I need to be in world. Oh my gosh. Okay, great. We have this working. We have too many splits. Yikes. What are we doing? So 2, 7, 6, 7, 14, 7, 14, 7, 14. So we accidentally split on the same one multiple times because we come down on it multiple times. Okay, so splits needs to be congratulations, you're in now a set of strings. There we go, and then it's splits add JSON stringify RC. Then it splits dot size. Boom, deduplicated. +1. I can fix that. Okay, and I've hit the infinite. Do I have a bunch of logs here? I don't. Ooh, it's just the thing is bad because I've already done this. Okay, so I need to eliminate active beams that have already been things. Great. Before I do that, let me jump in there. Okay, so that's gonna be going. Constant beam equals new set string, ta-da, and every place we go, we say we have beamed you. There we go. And then if you're going to a place that has been beamed, get out of there. I don't want to see you. We've already seen you. Okay, so that eliminates a lot of duplication. Boom, we're done. How do you handle the heat death of the universe? Just be efficient. Ouch. It's the right answer for somebody else. Well, I've actually seen this a couple times. Great. I don't know why I'm wrong though. 1626. Okay. This is terrible because it's working, but I'm not seeing the failure. So I did the -1 because of the whole S thing. Did I trim? Did I split? Yeah, I trim, I split. Is real input weird? Let's find out. Show me what's in you. Son of a carriage return. 1620. Oh, it's the same number. Oh. Well, I guess that would have happened. Is world 0 the same? 141, great. To negative 1. 141 the same. Huh. Wait, nothing but dots the last line? Oh, it is nothing but dots. Okay. Let's go to negative 2. It actually has something on it. Okay, it does, and it's first one, last one, first one, last one, and then there's a big gap at the end. Yeah, okay, it's accurate. Ah, boy, what's wrong? What have I done? Must be counting something that's very similar. Tachyon enters at S. Tachyon beams always move downward. Tachyon passes freely through empty space. Dot. If it encounters a splitter, the beam is stopped. I have stopped things. Setting new beams continues from the immediate left and from the immediate right of the splitter. Reaches first splitter. At first, it stops. 2 new beams are emitted. Beams continue downward until they reach more. Point. Boom, both of those hit and they stop. So the right thing is obvious. The left one is obvious. It's how many times they're split and not how many beams, unique beams there are. A tachyon beam, a tachyon beam. This one is split a total of 21 times. Okay, I've done that, and I'm not seeing it. So what we need to do is world is make a copy of the world, and we need to visualize everything. No, not that. I'm afraid I'm not going to actually see anything from this, but I'm also not sure what to do at this point, so okay, let's see if that's enough. I'm looking at the real thing. Let's get rid of that. I'm looking at the both things. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I went a little too far. When I beamed everything. I only want to look at visualizations of like things I've Folder Kazari, Warner's can see, and then Splits includes this. Do I want to look here? No. I want to look here. Well, that's visualizing in a place that I exist. Oh, okay, a weird place. It's a weird place. I do want to visualize it somewhere. I mean, this is where I want to visualize it. I'm just getting, I'm overriding literally everything in the universe. I guess I need to keep track of how many discs. Well, no, this is good. Oh my gosh. Okay, this visualization bug might be showcasing something. Why does the beam ever go here? So if it's a caret, oh, yep, that's the problem. Okay, I knocked it out. Then this splits there, the other two active, but this thing just keeps going down. Stop. False. Stop. True. And then if stop, please just, well, things are only added. Yeah, while true, what do? I break when I'm undefined. Break. Here we go. If stop. Break. 20 is not equal to 21. Okay, that was it. That was it. I had a big typo. Always loved Big Typo. Big fan of Big Typo. Well, it wasn't typo. It was, in my mind, every bug is a typo. Just depends how many characters you're off by. I'm not sharing anywhere. There we go. Ah, got it. Okay. 40 different timelines. Cool. I love timelines. Love time traveling. Give. Give. Okay. Putting up on number of timelines. So actually, how many? What do we call this? Unique paths or unique coordinates, unique somethings of the thing. Okay, so this is doable. I just need to keep track of them. On well, obvious man says obvious thing. Okay. So this is not active beams. This is name. There we go. Paths number. And then when a path ends, that is what? Timelines. There you go. Timelines equals 0. Awesome. Do that. Get rid of that. And then end is right here. So this is where we go up timelines. Boop boop. Awesome. We're getting that working. Timelines. Awesome. So we're getting close. There's some duplication, I believe, in the timelines. Well, I only have 9, which is already sadness. Hey, let's visualize this. I say a timeline is created when you reach the bottom. This is actually accurate. I know. Well, I'm not really using the paths in any way. I'm just every time it splits, it does that. Oh, the deduplication is meaning. Okay, yeah. I should probably use the paths. Crazy idea. Congratulations, you are. I want to use paths. Well, I had to do deduplication to handle something. If I've been here before, I don't want to go here again. Is no longer the case. I want to go places multiple times. But no infinite loops. If I just fix the infinite loop, maybe life would be good. Dang it. No, what's happening here is the actual performance thing, and I know that didn't actually go anywhere because terminal's still running on that old thing using this. So we need to be more efficient. Be more efficient. Yeah, so we just need to make paths. So congratulations, you're an array of positions that you've ever been to. Um, here's previous, here's current. You can move your life happy now. Ah, there we go. Types love us. No, types hate us. The rest I want to the last. Oh my gosh, it hates us. Okay. I'm using all the most efficient array methods. Our favorite. What is wrong with this? Path is that. R is that. C is that. Number 8 is not iterable. What are you? Oh, my code down below is being terrible. Yeah, well, when you do that, congratulations, you have spawned a new path. Da 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 da. So, you're an array of arrays. And I need to throw all of your previous children on you. Awesome. Okay, this is good. Now, the problem is we need to, whenever this goes down, I don't think we can just cheat and do that anymore. Can we cheat and do that anymore? Maybe not. Yeah, the problem is the number of our paths, it blows up because we end up going to the same places twice. So is it literally cost? Can't can't eliminate duplicates. Actually need them because the splitting to the right and the splitting to the left is a unique path. And if anything, I need to count how many are have been on a path and then use that to deduplicate, respin up all the math. I'm not doing that right now, though. Son of a, that's what I need to do, though. So it's how many are on this path. Got an array of arrays isn't doing it. Congratulations, you just got upgraded to an object. Doing a refactor without evidence that I necessarily need it. Crazy. And yeah, all our types are gone. Goodbye, types. I love you. You'll be missed. Oh, what have I done with all my symbols? Here's that symbol. Count. Congratulations. There are only one going there. But you're an array of them, so please go back. Okay, there we go. So then we have current previous equals path, and then RC equals path dot all that. Boom, we love it. Instead of counting timelines, which is how many reach the end, once you reach the end, you are plus equaling the number of ones that current is holding on its back, basically. Okay, I think this is good. And then instead of pushing new ones, it could push new ones, but it could also like add on to existing ones that already exist. It's gonna need to be work here, but we're getting there. Okay, so things aren't working because things aren't working. That's because we're pushing bad stuff. So stop pushing bad stuff. And that works. No, that doesn't work. We got current. Boom. We got current. We got a path, which is an array of a single number. There we go. Okay, that's more accurate. Now, this is the tough part. Whenever we split, we're creating more paths, but we're also adding one to existing one. So, new path. Previous RC minus 1. Well, it's new paths plural, so let me in. Congratulations, there's 2 of you now. You are best friends. Awesome. Path of paths. Now, since this is, what is it? This is breadth first, or whichever this is. If this was breadth first, I'd make people do an optimization. I don't know if it is, though. I don't know if I've done it that way, so I don't think I can do that optimization. But existing path equals paths that find p dot path. That's gonna be the fun part. We need to check if it starts with where I'm going. So JSON stringify my path starts with JSON stringify new path. Now the efficiency of that is very sad because we're using all the JSON stringifies. So I will do that to at least make that one less painful. And then it's find. Find is sufficient. Yeah, okay, we didn't actually find one here. That makes sense. We don't have the entire thing built. Okay. Existing path. Congratulations. Existing path dot count plus plural. You found a friend. Else. Well, actually, if we do this, then hold on. Let me slice. I mean, another copy. Then new paths. Slice. I need the index. New paths. Index of new path. Congratulations. Yeah, don't need that anymore. But for all new paths that still made it, I'm gonna do the same thing again. It's sufficient. Slice isn't necessary here. I need to add a new thing to paths. Push. What do I need? I need a current count of 0 and a path of new path. Okay, hopefully that makes everyone happy. So is that why you hate me? No, your types are angry. Don't be angry. Be cool. You're cool. You're cool. What do I get? 0. Great. I'm not that cool. Can you be cool? You won't be cool. Okay, I give up on that. It's just a typing error. Great. It's not working. What did I do? Well, I never went 1 into there. Okay. If existing path, I'm seeing yellow, which means not always making it. Never making it. Great. Which means oh, that's supposed to be else. That would do things crazy. Still not making it. Hey, so if you exist, great, you get added. And you splice. There you go. Gosh, I was fighting that one. 0 equals 40. Okay, we actually made it. That's good. So let's just add all the new paths. Okay, well, I mean, this seems to be working. An array of numbers. What's happening? Wow, this is so 726. I mean, yeah, we're going a lot of places. I'm seeing the same path 15 billion times, which hurts my soul. And they're not additive. What's the heck? They're not additive. I wanted I wanted additive. Okay, well I know this thing hurts. It doesn't result in an additive thing. Yeah, so let's not do that. Whenever we increase the row, let's mm, is it here or here? I don't know which, but closer. I'm not sure why it not do what I want it to do. All these singletons. Why you? Why are you all Heidi? Okay, y'all seem chill. Y'all were just hiding. Okay, cool. So 0, 7 and 2, 6, and I mean I can kind of see from the visualization we're going this way. Ah, interesting. And the existing path thing isn't doing it at all, so we're not even brute forcing this anymore. And we never. Hold on, count should not be 0. Count is 1. Whoops, that's not how math work. But now we have 128. Ah, things are not working. Things are not working. They're not being built up. They only have the current thing in here. What am I doing wrong there? Previous, which is all the one up to it. Okay, can I not use the current path slice? Is that you cannot use that? Oh, I'm using a slice. Okay, so that is dangerous. Is this what I need? Okay, there we go. That's getting better. Great, so just don't use that variable. We still. Okay, let me see. Where are all the places we add? Is it all 16-0? Feels like it's all 16-0. Great, it's all literally all the left. So code. Code is the best. Code is great. I'm not even removing those duplicates, so nothing has actually been made efficient yet. And this wouldn't happen to work. Please works at some point. Great, okay. Efficiencies. Spawn. Okay, so we have 071726. Okay, this is a great example. We did this. Bad. You're supposed to be... Well, I mean, technically that's not bad. You just have two of them. Did this ever work? Do we have any merges? No. No. Which means if I look at your path, you're just a mess, where I can see the same one like a bajillion times. So let's see. Well, that one ends at 1614, 1612, 1611. Well, if they don't end in the same one, it's not the same path. Two 1610s, okay. Are they unique, though? Set string, which I'm basically saying, I'm trying to think through my logic here. Once you go down this route, and you go down to there, I think my deduplication logic is not logical, which is why something has happened in this way. Hold on. The stringification is bad also. That's bad. Map here. There we go, paired out join, and then you can join with little hyphens, I guess. Cool, you're a weird thing. So cool, we have a great new stringification program. You're all gonna love it, join it, and think it's the best thing since all the bread got sliced. Okay, we're still not finding any. So it's technically not even if we've been to the same places or if our path has been the same. It's if where I am going is a place that someone else has already been. So if where I am going is new path at -1, so const next block equals new path at -1. And I'll say join with the little comma. Then if path this includes my new location. Dang it, none of those get ran either? Come on. We thought that would have been something. I literally am not seeing duplications here. I guess that logic also is falling through. Nope, here we go. We have another 6-8. Yeah, 6-8 shows up twice. You have to exist. This has to be the problem then. This is gonna hurt. Yeah, array of strings. Okay, cool. I'm looking for that. Okay, yeah, this should be straightforward. I'm gonna look for the 6-8 and then look for the 6-8 again. Why do you three look special? Oh, you just got big. Okay. Weird. Yeah, we gotta trim our lives down a little bit. It's not gonna be next lock. It's gonna be the stringification. Oh, that is correct. There we go, a little better. I need to know what I have done wrong, so please tell me. So they're ending up on the same place. Because I am doing it to breath. Because of the way I'm doing it. These two. I don't like it. The brain is dying. So, am I going to 6A? I'm going to 6A. 3, all ending up at 6-8. All of them, well, 2 of them are for previous 5-7, and then 1 of them are for previous other one. These should all be getting merged. I bet none of them exist at the same, or none of, like, the layers are not different, so they're all being added at the same time. I was supposed to check if the previous one is already in there. That feels janky. It also wouldn't help. It'd only help these two. It's a fun off by 1 here. I am a struggle bussin'. Problem is, I know. Well, the annoying thing is, I know exactly what I need to be doing. I'm just failing on the how. Hmm. I'm trying to think of other ways I can tackle this. Okay, I'm trying to think of possibly inverting the tracking logic where instead of keeping each path, tracking how many times it's been there, what I can do is every time I go somewhere, I say, this position has been visited by X timelines. Then when something goes off the board, I find the maximum of everywhere I've been, and I'm like, great, I've eh. I'm honestly, well, that's gonna be memory and efficient, but I can't think of anything else at the moment, which is unfortunate. So here we go. We're going for that. All this current stuff, technically, while non-functional, is also not hurting my life. So we will live and let it do. Yeah, we'll call this the visualization. Well, visualization world has its own purpose. So, cost count world. And the only difference is that Matt, um, I don't really care what you want. You're the number 0. 0 people have been to your cool place. Okay, awesome. So every row, every column, wherever we go, is wherever we visualize effectively, because look at visualization, very accurate. Perhaps to the extreme, we say, we've been here once. We've been here at least once. So count world RC plus 1. Plus plus. Wrong plus pluses. Awesome. Which means I should be able to come over here, look at count world, and see some numbers. Yeah, look at this. And we can see numbers for multiple. So do I just look at the last one and add them all up? Would that work? That feels like that wouldn't work. No way. Okay, great. This doesn't solve the problem because I was doing 2 things for that whole thing. This is supposed to be an efficiency boost and a way of counting things. I think I just killed the efficiency boost. I don't know. I mean, I don't need to think. Look. it's gone. There's no efficiency left. 1507. Yeah, that's part one. I'll let you spin again, though. Level two's already been declared. Well, yeah, I was fine with that. Okay. Off to the races again. A different way of counting the same things. Not gonna work because not efficient enough. Kind of forgot that was one of the main goals of that. Okay, let's get rid of that. Get my computer to breathe. If I go back to the part one strategy of getting rid of duplicates just haphazardly, that would do it. Okay, maybe if I understood how this hits every time, see it a little bit more. Okay, so we have the ones, and then the next one, it does go down to the right first. Yeah, so this is very much a depth first path, which should have been fine. Okay, I'm gonna make this a little easier. Now I can actually read the darn thing. Oh my gosh, that's not what I wanted. Okay, fine. Just space. Oh, that's not what I wanted either. Do I need to put you back together? Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Weirdly enough, it was more visualizable before as an array of numbers that was unmodified. But there we go. Okay, we can see the path. Boom, we go down heavy right. And then eventually go down the right. Yeah, so this is depth first. And then we hit it again. So why wasn't my duplication logic working if it is depth? Because I assumed I'd accidentally written it breadth. This needs to just work. It just needs to work. Okay, just need to look at this and stare at it till I get it to work. Okay, two 1610s. Congratulations. You are both coming under my microscope. Both ended at the same one, which means you should have both merged at some point. When did you two break up the great family? 2, 8, 3, 8, 4, 9, 5, 9, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 11. Okay, so at this point, 7, 10, 7, 10, you split, which is cool. That is expected. 8, 11, 9, 11, 10, 10. When you merged back together at 10, 10, you should have merged back together at 10, 10. So I need to find where my current position is 10, 10. That's where the problem lie. So do if next lock equals we have apparently 10 of them that ended up going through 10, 10, which is great. But yeah, so 2, 8, 11, 9, 11, that's one of the paths, and 8, 9, 9, 9 is the other path. Okay, boom, I have found both paths. You two fools. Why do you not end up merging? You never find an existing path. Well, great thing is I only have two of you to look at, so we're gonna look at you now. You understand why you suck. False. Okay. The obvious sky was in fact blue at that time of day. And we're still looking for 1010. So what things did you look inside that you didn't find your 1010? So I'm looking. Yeah, these are all the ones that don't have. These aren't siblings, are they? I don't know if that would even matter. It shouldn't matter. Plus, they're not siblings because it's the same thing. So 6, 8. So we have 8 and 9 here, which is one of them. Why don't we have 9? I need to see 9, 11 or 9, 9. Those are supposed to be. Uh, yeah, I see them here. What is this even doing? Do paths die? I mean, I pop it off, I traverse through it. Paths die. That must be what's going on. I mean, paths have to die because that's how the thing ends. I think that might be my problem. Yeah, only active paths are ever being seen. So since they go in depth first, they terminate and they're done and they're never seen again. Let done done paths. Congratulations. There are more paths. No, no, whatever I just did to VS Code, don't do that. Um, get down there. There we go. All the same bits, but empty. Okay, so instead of this happening, we're going to say done paths dot push you. Great, and then don't do that. Don't do that. And then you need to look at everyone. So existing path is path dot find. Existing. It's active path. Congratulations. Do the exact same thing. Oh, yeah, my keybinds are all messed up. Existing done path. Congratulations. Done paths do the same thing. You still splice yourself out of existence. We need to do an else here because you can only actually be in one, but it's going to be weird. Indent formatting. Thanks, formatter. Okay, that should do us better. Now my counts are all exploded because I never actually updated it, but everything should be in done paths right now, and everyone should have a cool count. Okay, cool. So return done paths dot map ndp dot count reduce a plus b start at 0. 17's not 40. Well, I can't count, but this is good. We have stuff's happening. Ooh, a done path. Well, this isn't a done path. This is just a one that terminates and splits into two. Okay, so we now need to. So we are finding existing done paths. Good. Why count not count? Why not count? Everything looks like it's being. Hey, whoa. What's this? What's this? What you do here? Oh, so the problem is when I find something, I delete myself and I don't add myself to a thing. A9's not equal to 40. Great. This feels like a weird thing to be failing in one direction at. Now, I know my depth first actually does favor the right side of this. Okay, let's theorize with that. Well, that changed a lot more than it should have. That's terrifying. Okay, let's get rid of these debug statements. They're not, I don't think, useful no more. Man, I guess I'm gonna look at the done paths and understand what foolishness I have done this time. Great, I can't read them. Definitely feel like I have a rabbit hole down the wrong place, but it's okay. I'm looking for duplicates. According to my logic, I should never find them. What did I just find? Okay, so you're all on the 8 and the 9 side. 6, 7, but then you jump back into 8, 9. You jump back into 8, 8, 10, 8, 10, 8. Okay, you both end up on 10, 8 again. You should have merged. Okay, there's a problem of efficiency and there's a problem of counts. I need to solve the problem of counts first, because I might be efficient enough already. Am I just... Nope, it's not just number off by 1. It's something else. Okay, so I have 9 done paths. Is that how many there are actually? So 1, 2... Well, I can actually look at the count map for this. Oh, do I not have count map in this? Oh, count world. Yeah. So how many at the end have a number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What the heck happened to the left side? Why am I not traversing the freaking left side? Okay, this is the efficiency being efficient. Boom, stop that. Do I traverse the left side now? I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, there are 9. Why have I done this? Mm. It's not additive, is it? It's multiplicative. Still doesn't understand the inefficiency though. So I'm saying I am adding myself to you, but then for some reason you don't go all the places I expect you to. Why? Well, it's a done path, so there's nowhere. In what instance does joining a done path result in not going extra places? Why are these already explored paths have not gone all places? I don't understand. Do I need to literally just go up to the one that's not splitting? Oh, let's go back to Viz World. Charts. It hurteth. Right here. Right, we can see we have 3 beams on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, we have the 3 beams. Then that hits all that. And then you son, directly below the 3rd beam, what are you doing? You're not splitting in both directions. Get rid of this. You do end up going to the left. Why not? New path, index of a new path. Am I doing something double? Okay, fine. Let's bring this logic into here. Maybe there's something wrong here. Boom. If you found a thing, great. If you other found a thing, great. If you never found a thing, it's got to be a weird cursedness I'm doing here. Still not going to the left. If existing active path, yep, that's path. Existing done path. That's right. I found you. You're cool. You're a big fan. I'm plus twoing you instead of plus plussing you. I don't know which one to be doing at this point. But tomato. Okay, let's see how many this happens to. A handful, honestly, not a gajillion. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 or 7. Yeah, all of them are relatively high on the right, or far on the right. 1740. It's at least inverted back. Okay, 2440. Ooh, I am doing a thing where I'm saying found as in singular. My assumption is that that'll always give me a 1. I mean, is that wrong? Maybe that's my issue. Not fine. It's filter at that point. I don't know. I'm just trying stuff now. Oh my gosh, there actually are multiple. I'm losing my mind. I did not expect that to happen. Cool. Well, hey, this is actually a good thing for us. The number is more accurate now. What? Why? Okay, I understand even less now. Who are these existing done paths? Ending at a 1610, and then this one, there we go, 16:8, and a 16:8 end. Yeah, that's problem. Okay, I'm glad we're upping the counts for both of them. Don't why we not go, everyone not go all the way? Okay. I just need to go to the point of divergence. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So row 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, comma 5. I actually don't know. Matching the visualization to the code. I'm kind of losing that a bit. Next location. Well, there's an instance in which my next location wants to be right here, but it doesn't happen. So that's the one I need to look at. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4. Okay, that's the one we need to look into and understand why you do this. Please give for correct symbols. Great, we found you. You've been found, you son of a. And we only ever show up here once, which is good. This means optimization is optimized. Let's track us down. Good, we made it that far. Let's see which path we went down. Aha, we went down optimized path, which is what we're supposed to do. So now let's see which things we found. This is very informative. I love it. That makes sense. We'll be finding 2. 5, 7, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 6, 8, 5, 16, 4. Okay, so both 2 that ended up going to the same place. 16, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I think I have that in visualization. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, we both have that one. So this is, it's an increasing column, isn't it? So 6, 4 goes to 6, 6. 6, 4 goes to 6, 6. Okay. Why are you two? I mean, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 7, 7, 8, 8, 7, 7 versus 7, 7, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5. What is the difference between these two? And a lot of 4s. And not as many 4s. Okay, they eventually diverged at some point. Cool, we love for that. I'm concerned about that already. This one's definitely got me down a rabbit hole. Because 10, 6, 11, 6. Then 5 and 4. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. Yeah, and this one just stayed on the 4 line, which we love. When you both ended up at 15, 4, or 14, 4 rather, you should have joined back up. So I don't handle things joining back up, do I? It's an efficiency problem, not a correctness problem. I'm focusing on the correctness problem. Okay, so I have 6, 4, and 6, 4 is where I am wanting to go. Which means the problem is I'm not looking at 6, 4. I really need to be looking at the one I'm targeting not showing up. Dang it. I am looking at the one I'm targeting not showing up. Okay, what the heck am I talking about? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this is the one. I'm looking at you. I'm looking right at you. And you both have. Yeah, you're an existing done path because you have where I'm going. Except you don't. The heck? Who? How did you do that? You're not here. It's taken me a while to realize this. Yeah, eventually this turns true. Boom, I see it with my big eyeballs. Big fan. Ow. I don't see 6, 4 in this, like, at all. The heck are you talking about? Oh my gosh, because I'm doing the join. Oh, I found it. Stupid join. Great, everyone's going where they want to go. Nope, everyone's not going where they want to go. Yes, everyone's going where they want to go. Great, now my counts are all off. So I'm doing this. So I need to multiply by 2. Great, so I found the problem. Don't know if I actually got us a solution though. Great, it didn't. Why? So everyone's being visited. Some are still being visited twice, which is destroying my soul. But all the paths are correct. I know this one's not supposed to be visited, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. People are being visited. My counts are wrong. Why? Why? Okay, do we ever get multiple of these? Because I just did all that work to make this fancy or something. Okay, we do. So I guess I'm leaving that there. That's an inefficiency of sadness. So when you get to the end, congratulations, you're a done path. Get out of here. Why are the counts not correct? Okay, so the great thing is I have the old way, which is just don't do any of this efficient stuff, and everything is great. So what I can do, yeah, this never actually runs, but we're here. We can and false both of these. Go back to old ways, and we'll have beautiful counts array. Is that accurate? Yeah, that's accurate. And we can see how many actually end up and should end up in these positions, which is kind of as expected, heavy in the middle. Boom, this is what I want. Now I can bring these back and I can see which ones are missing their counts. And I can rebuild count world. Well, I can rebuild this line of count world. End counts. Done path. Oh, let me turn that off. I been more than 60 minutes. I'm trying. All the done paths should be at the end, right? I would expect it to be. Yeah, they're all at 16. So we should need to, for each of them, oh, kind of a weird thing. I guess I'm taking the last one of count world and doing this. So count world at -1, map C. That's gonna be interesting because it's not gonna always be there. But I have end counts, and I need to grab the one with the. I don't have the end counts. So I need to find done paths with a path where the last one includes a thing. It's annoying. Find where p dot path at -1, because I have to do all that, equals 16 comma, and then can I do C? C is a number. I need the index, so I need I. There we go, equals that. Don't know what I've just done. Yeah, I've mapped it to the found one, and then I would need to drop this down to count or 0. Okay, this is it. So 1, 2, 5, 5, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1 versus 1, 2, 10, 11, 11, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, all that stuff. Yeah, as expected, the middles are sad. The outsides are accurate, though. Oh, actually, I have a visualization right here. It's doing great. Give. I said give. Okay, so it's the middle ones that are inefficient. Are these the ones that I'm seeing doubles of? So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm looking for 4. No, 16, 14. Great, it's at the bottom. Yeah, should have looked at the end. Okay, Um, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm looking for 8. There we go. We have 1 8, which is 2. We have another 8, which is 3, which adds up to 5. 4, 16, 4. 2 16 fours. What do we have? We have 5 and we have 6. Why does it feel like we have everything? Okay, my visualization is not accurate. That's a sadness here. Because it's not find one, it's filter. Because there are multiple. And then reduce a. Once you find them, you need to map them. And then once you have the counts, you need to add them up. Start at 0. You can drop this optional 0. It will always be there. Okay, this is bad. It means it's actually looking more accurate. Well, it's good, but it's bad because my original theory is circle on the drain. Now what is wrong? Okay, you have one more than you should. And the rest of them don't have what we should want. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's 6 that's the problem. Let's look for you. 14, 12, 11, 10, 8, 6. Yeah, so you have 5. And that's it. Not only do you have one more than you have, both of you two, less than you should. Hmm. Interesting. It's the middle one's on the right, interestingly enough. Means if it's an order thing. Huh. Now it's the middle ones on the left that's failing. Okay, so it is an order thing. Effectively a race condition, but in different terms. Hmm. So I think the problem is that, well, one of the complications is that this is being done a depth first. What if we just stop that? So I have this while loop that's keeping this thing going down. What if we didn't do that? And it's rather just incremental. So instead of r++, whenever we do this, we just add a new thing to the world. Paths.push. Whole new thing. Alright, and then the path is current.path. Spread all of that. But with the next one, RC. Well, that breaks everything. I love that. Whoops. Well, it's supposed to be R increased, so R++. Okay, that still breaks everything. Still think this is the right... Oh, don't do that. Still think this is the right way to go, though. So let's try and get into this direction. When we do stop, though, we need to stop. So bring that Boolean back. If not stop, then go. Maybe that kills my infinite loop. Nope, still infiniting. Great. When I reach the end, that's supposed to also stop. Congratulations, please stop. Nope, still going forever. Where have I missed? Well, I'll break it here so we can just see what's going on.
Hey, could you show me? 0707. Yeah, you didn't. Oh, +1. How we doing now? 1 out of 40. Great. Did nothing. We have one done path. I bet that's the right side, the left side, isn't it? It's the right side. Hey, we got to the end though. Something. So if the world is a little triangle, then you're supposed to not do that. So what do we end up looking at? And why is that undefined? Okay, you do end up looking at triangles. Cool. I mean, I can kind of see that. I should have used my eyeballs. Ooh, don't slice to the end. You're gonna keep the end. It's useful now. Not useful enough. Let me look at paths. Oh, okay, we're seeing duplication. I was kidding. We do want that. Okay, what is missing here? Path is the new path. Ooh, when this happens, we stop. That is correct. Yep, you stop when you do the split. If you're not stopping, then you're going down. That's good. I don't know what's wrong here. And 071727. This is good. We're constantly going down one direction only, but we don't have, I'm seeing multiple 13s. So this is good. What's the count of this done path? Is it like 40? No, it's 1. Okay, what's the current entirely? I'm curious. It's always 1. Ooh, since I'm completely throwing away and not regenerating them, let's see what's wrong here. Thinking. Might be time for a break. Which means this might be a solve tomorrow kind of thing. There is a path to an end. When you reach the end, you have a path. I want to know how many things have also joined this path. So let me get a realistic one here, right? So when you come down here, there are lots of people who could have joined this path. Let's just look at the previous one. Boom. When you split here, however many were on this path are now on that path. So it's not +1, it's other stuff. It's plus the current count. Okay, let's take this and go back. Oh, please just let me go back. Oh my gosh, I'm hitting my scroll wheel. Congratulations, 3. I need to physically go back though, so I need to go back to the while loop because that was actually functional. Okay, this is me fighting with numbers. Good. When did I abandon this ship? Right here. I got rid of the while loop. Okay, keep the while loop. Don't add 1. Add current dot count. Oh, dang it. I thought I was really onto something there. Yeah, there's too much other things broken with that for that to have worked. But it was a thought. Okay, definitely going to be a break, and we'll see if I think of anything at the break.